Welcome back Tech Newbies, my name is Don. A bit of a break from our usual tech videos because today it finally happened. If you have been collecting Seiko watches, you probably know that the Seiko Monster is one of the most iconic and must-have in your collection. And when you talk of Seiko Monsters, the rarest of these models are usually released in Thailand. We have been praying to the Seiko gods to give us our own exclusive in the Philippines. Today, it finally happened. The Philippines' first exclusive monster, the Seiko SRPF33K1 Monster. Let's take a dive, shall we? That's it for this video. Were you able to get your own monster? What number did you get? Thank you for watching. Keep safe. Peace.